Hey everyone, Xiaomi is already gearing up for the release of the Smart Band 9 Pro, following closely on the heels of the Smart Band 9, which was launched just a few months ago. Based on unofficial renders, the Band 9 Pro is set to make its debut soon, and while it seems to retain much of the same design language as its predecessor, there are a few notable changes. From a visual standpoint, the Band 9 Pro doesn't seem drastically different from the Band 8 Pro. The most prominent design evolution is in the display, which is now slightly curved compared to the Band 8 Pro's flat panel. This subtle curvature lends the device a more premium feel, hinting at improved ergonomics. Another small, yet significant, design tweak is in the band clasp. The clasp has been discreetly relocated to the end of the band, echoing the design of the Apple Watch, which is a modern touch. The pill-shaped navigation button remains a familiar feature, signaling that Xiaomi hasn't completely overhauled the user interface. One of the more noticeable changes, however, lies in the side frame. The Band 9 Pro adopts a matte finish, in contrast to the glossy metal look of its predecessor. This change could potentially enhance durability and resist fingerprints better, though its effectiveness will be clearer once the device is in users' hands. In terms of display, renders suggest a larger screen with thinner bezels, though we'll need verified measurements for a concrete comparison. Leaked renders reveal that the Band 9 Pro will come in 3 color variants: silver, black, and gold. While these are the only confirmed options for now, Xiaomi may offer additional color schemes upon release, given its track record for customizing its smart bands. Although the official specifications for the Band 9 Pro remain unknown, it's reasonable to assume that Xiaomi will carry forward many of the core features from the Band 8 Pro. The latter featured a 1.74-inch AMOLED display with a 336 by 480 resolution, a 60 Hz refresh rate, and a peak brightness of 600 nits for optimal readability in direct sunlight. The Band 8 Pro also boasted a range of health and fitness tracking features, including continuous heart rate and blood oxygen monitoring, stress tracking, sleep monitoring, and water resistance up to 5 ATM. With over 150 sports modes, it catered to a wide array of fitness needs, making it a strong contender in the fitness tracker space. If the Band 9 Pro follows suit, we can expect similar functionality, perhaps with some internal upgrades. Some anticipated features include built-in GPS, always-on display options, automatic brightness adjustment, and seamless integration with the Mi Fitness app. These, along with potential enhancements to the health tracking algorithms and additional sports modes, would make the Band 9 Pro a worthy successor. While Xiaomi's Smart Band 9 Pro doesn't appear to stray too far from the design and features of its predecessor, it's clear that Xiaomi is making incremental but meaningful improvements. The subtle display curve, matte side frame, and larger screen all point to a more refined product. If Xiaomi can deliver on expectations by enhancing the core features that made the Band 8 Pro popular, the Band 9 Pro may be a great option for fitness enthusiasts and tech-savvy consumers alike. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day and God bless you.